How bad do you want it? Are you talking about it or you're being about it? Greatness is no joyride. Greatness is full of adversity and obstacles. How bad do you want it? How dedicated are you to achieving your greatness? Too many times we wake up in the morning and we're ungrateful for that day. We're awake, we're blessed. The world is full of negativity. We don't have to be negative on ourselves. I hear people talking about, I am unlucky, I'm unsuccessful, I am fat, I am ugly. No, you are not. Let's change our I am. It's gonna fuel our day, it's gonna fuel our life. I am successful, I am powerful, I am great, I am amazing. That's the words that have to follow our I am. It's going to fuel your life. Let's start taking it with passion. Let's start being amazing. Use your I am to change the world. If your actions are not in line with your beliefs, stop lying to yourself. There is nobody in this world that can go out there and be great for you. You got to make a conscious decision to stop making excuses, strap up your heart, stick out your chest, and get it done. There's nobody in this world that's going to give you what you want. You're going to have to go out there and get what you want by working hard. Being talented is not good enough. You got to work hard. You got to be passionate, and you gotta be grateful. Yes, I said grateful. I've failed over and over and over again, and I've risen to success because of my mindset. Your mindset can be controlled. Your attitude can be controlled by you. Nobody else can control your attitude and your mindset. If you let them, then you're allowing them to own something that belongs to you. That is your property. When you get up in the morning, don't look at your phone. Don't check your emails. Don't think about yesterday's problems, yesterday's struggles, and what obstacles you got today. Focus. Focus on the things that you have and not the things that you want. Focus on the people that love you and not the people that hate you. Focus on what and who you want to be and become. Be blessed, be grateful, and say thank you. When you wake up every single morning, I want you to wake up with a smile on your face. Doesn't matter how bad yesterday was. Doesn't matter what you got going on today. And start telling yourself what you want to be. I am rich. I am healthy. I am great. I am amazing. I am a great father. I am a great mother. Whatever you want to be, start your day off with I am. Because what follows your I am is going to shape your day, your year, and your life. I'm going to tell you something that one of my mentors, Jim Rohn, told me. If you want change in your life, you are going to have to change. You're going to have to do something different. You're not going to be able to get up and be doing the same thing over and over again and expect something different to happen, something different to change. If you keep doing that, you are insane. That is the definition of insanity. Don't be a volunteer victim. A lot of our problems in life is self-inflicted wounds. A lot of times as we get older, we tend to conform and we stop growing, we stop building as people inside. No one wants to set goals, nobody wants to keep them. We rather do what's easy in life instead of getting a little bit uncomfortable and growing. When you're uncomfortable is when you start to grow. When you're uncomfortable is when you start to build muscles in your mind, in your body, in your soul. Gratitude is the only shortcut to success. Be grateful for what's around you. Don't take it for granted. Get up every single morning and do something that you love. For half an hour, for 10 minutes, for 5 minutes, for an hour. Start small. I'm going to repeat that. Success is little steps of progress. If you're moving forward, if you're moving towards your goals, towards your greatness, then you are progressing. Don't wait till the weekend. Do it now, whatever it is. You have to believe. Stop putting limitations on yourself. Stop doubting yourself. Stop letting other negative naysayers pull you into their circle of disaster. Misery loves company. That's a fact. We have to rethink what motivates us, what pushes us, what is our why. Why do you do what you do, how you do it? I want to inspire you to become the best you that you can be. Everybody else is taken. You can do the easy things in life. If you do those easy things, life is gonna be hard, I promise you. But if you go about it and do those hard things, those things that nobody wanna do, those things that people say, oh man, I gotta get up and do that today, then life will be easy. It's a choice that you have to make whenever you're ready. Write down exactly what you want to achieve, and then every single day, as many times as possible, read it to yourself. If you want to make $1 million a year, write down on that piece of paper, I make $1 million a year. I am healthy. I am happy. I have the love of my life. Write it down and repeat it every single day. You want to be great. You want to be special. You want to be wealthy. You want to be a billionaire. You want to be the best basketball player. You want to be the best football player. You want to be the best soccer player. You want to be the best surgeon, the best doctor, the best father. Whatever your best is going to be, whatever the best that you want it to be, you got to get up and you got to change. You got to do something that you never thought you'd do. You got to do something that people don't expect you to do. You got to go ahead and rewrite your own history. Stop waiting for somebody to come in there, swoop you off your feet, make your life perfect, make your life great. You got to do it. You have to be the change in your life that you want to happen. You cannot depend on anybody. The only person I'm going to ever bet on in this world is myself. Because I know that's the one thing I can control. My attitude, my mentality. Yes, my mentality. I'm the only person that got control over that. If you let somebody piss you off, you let somebody get you mad, shame on you. Stop doing what you're doing every single day unless you are dedicated to being great. Now get up there, get outside, and go make change happen for you and your family right here, right now, today. My 10-year-old son literally brought me to tears 2 days ago, I believe. I think it was 2 days ago. I'm cleaning up his room, picking up some of the stuff, and I see these index cards, and I was like, oh man, that's so crazy. I was looking for some index cards. So I go to take the index cards to write my goals, to put them into the universe, to state them down on the index card, and it says, do not touch. And I'm like, what the heck? So I flipped it over. I started to read what my son wrote, and it brought me to tears. This child is 10 years old. He wrote a speech that he's going to give when he goes into the NFL draft. And he doesn't know exactly what team he's going to get drafted by yet. But he thanked me, he thanked his high school coach, he thanked his JV coach, he thanked coaches he doesn't even have yet. Guys, he didn't stop there. He wrote his Hall of Fame speech when he gets inducted into the National Football Hall of Fame. What does he have that you don't? What does he have that I don't? What does he have that most people don't? He has full faith and belief in himself. And that is what motivated me. That is what got me excited. That's what gets me up every single morning, is my why. So every morning when you wake up, I'm going to challenge you right here, right now. I'm going to challenge you to think something that makes you smile. Just smile. Early in the morning. Be thankful. Say it out loud. Say 3 things that you're grateful for in your life. Smile. And then you're going to set up the rest of your morning, the rest of your afternoon, and your day for success. If you really want it, then step up.